Local businesses hit by the financial meltdown.
Up to then, it was basically just walk in and with a handshake, an unsecured loan.
But that handshake won't hold up anymore.
Small businesses are finding it harder to get the credit they need.
And that means less money to spend on expanding and in some cases meeting payrolls. All part of the growing financial crisis. The Small Business Administration says 70% of small businesses are reporting an impact from the credit crunch. Last month, there was a 29% decrease in the number of loans they were able to get. Even small business with good credit and good ideas are finding it more and more difficult. KXLY4's Tori Brunetti is live at Cassano's Deli in Spokane, a business that's been around for decades, but even its owners can't find a loan they're comfortable with. Tori?
Yeah, the owners of Casanos wanted to expand, maybe add some catering or some cooking classes. But in order to do that, they would need a bigger kitchen. As you can see, it's pretty small. But after shopping around for a loan for the past few weeks, they decided that they better just hold off on their expansion and wait out the current financial crisis.
And there's fresh pasta.
Casanos has been in Spokane since 1922.
Capicola, salami, mortadella.
They are an authentic Italian grocery store in Deli with a loyal following, but the economy has impacted their small business. First, with the increase in the cost of fuel and products like wheat. The owner, Carl Nacarado, says they were forced to raise their prices.
It's very worrisome that at some point people will just say, we can't afford it anymore.
And now with the financial meltdown, more obstacles.
We've been looking probably in the last year about expanding a little bit and getting involved in catering, takeout food, things like that. Maybe doing some cooking classes.
To expand, they looked into getting a loan.
It's been pretty interesting to see how those things have fallen into place and how hard it really is to get money out there and what it does take in order to qualify.
8 nice slices of prosciutto, please.
In the past few weeks, Carl shopped around at several banks, including a bank he has been doing business with for 15 years. But the stakes were just too high.
Where the consistency lies is the 25 to 30% down, the 7 to 8% interest rate, the perfect credit, and a piece of property that they can attach as collateral.
So for now, the expansion plans have been put on hold. But after this experience, Carl admits he is a little nervous.
Other instances with improvements and things like that where we've needed nothing of this magnitude, but needed small loans to do whatever, buy equipment or upgrade certain things. And I mean, up to then it was basically just walk in and with a handshake.
Now, a couple interesting facts for you. Small businesses nationwide employ 160 million workers and crank out half of the U.S. gross domestic product. Now, the Small Business Administration says they are seeing businesses with, like we said, good credit and good ideas that still can't get loans for things that they need to do, like expand or just daily operations. And they predict that if something doesn't change soon, the impact to small businesses will be huge. Live in downtown Spokane, Tori Brunetti, KXLY4 HD News.